Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. And on this channel, we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. I'm Cara DeFalco, and for today's health coach hack, we are boosting your immunity. So it looks like we are going to begin to bring things back to some version of normal after the coronavirus pandemic. And of course, as we set forth into the world, back to work, back with our friends and family, we certainly want to put our best foot forward and we want to put our healthiest self forward to continue to be well and to stay well in the midst of all of this. So what I'm going to show you today is some foods that are going to help boost your immune system. So certainly they're not necessarily preventing anything. There's certainly no cure yet and no surefire silver bullet for coronavirus or for anything really, but all of these things are certainly going to give your immune system that boost that it needs to be on its A game as you go back out into the world. So three of the biggest factors for our immune system are going to be vitamins A, C, and K. And then we have a couple of other foods that have some additional elements to them that are going to help. And why are we doing this with food? Well, 70% of your immune system is in your digestive tract. So if your digestive system is not well and not feeling well or functioning well, your immune system is not working well. And if we think about the people who are at the highest risk in terms of the coronavirus, it's people with diabetes, people with cardiovascular diseases, people with upper respiratory diseases, as well as cancers. All of those things are seriously impacted by the foods that you eat. So when you boost your immune system through food and nutrition, you're really hitting all of those elements in terms of giving yourself the best possibility of being well. So for foods that contain vitamin A, we have things like carrots, bell peppers, fresh herbs like mint, some zucchini, even spices like cayenne pepper. What vitamin A does for the immune system is it actually helps build your T cells. Your T cells are your white blood cells that help your body fight infection. So what vitamin A can do is it helps them reproduce and it helps them become what's called a regulatory T cell. And what that means is it prevents an autoimmune response in the body. So it prevents your body from attacking itself and it fights the foreign invaders that come into your body. So adding in these things to your diet will help boost your vitamin A. The other element is going to be vitamin C. And vitamin C is something that we all are pretty familiar with. It's rather common and spoken about. And of course for that, we always think of things like citrus, so oranges, lemons. But a lot of people don't realize that fresh berries also loaded with vitamin C, bell peppers loaded with vitamin C, Brussels sprouts as well, and also onions have a fair amount of vitamin C in them also. Vitamin C will help prevent an upper respiratory infection, and it also shortens the duration and the severity of a common cold. And the body just uses up a lot of vitamin C while it's in the process of fighting an infection. So again, if you have even just allergies, something going on in your body, adding in these foods will help boost your vitamin C. And vitamin C is a nice one because you really can't overdo it. The body will very easily eliminate excess vitamin C. Vitamin K is going to help your body eliminate dead or sick cells. So whether they're your own cells or a foreign invader, vitamin K helps your body just get rid of those cells and eliminate them. So things like cauliflower, again, Brussels sprouts also with vitamin K, celery, so these kind of like crunchy cruciferous vegetables, those are going to be the things that help add some vitamin K into our systems. And then finally, some other things that you can add in are things like yogurts. Yogurts contain probiotics. Probiotics, very good for your digestive tract. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a dairy yogurt. I happen to have a dairy allergy myself, so this is a coconut milk-based yogurt, but all of them are made with probiotics, so that's where you can get that. You can also get it from pickles or from sauerkraut. Any kind of fermented food will give you some probiotics. Apple cider vinegar happens to have what's called polyphenols, which is just plant antioxidants. So again, just eliminating toxins from the body. And you can actually make a nice little drink or a tea. You could take some of the mint, a little tablespoon or teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, some nice lemon, a little bit of the cayenne pepper and some honey, pour some warm water over it, let it sit for a minute, and now you've kind of combined a bunch of things that we're talking about here today. Something else you can add in is ginger. Both ginger and garlic have sulfurs in it, which again just draws toxins from the body. And also things like pumpkin seeds have a lot of magnesium in them, and that's another good one in terms of boosting your immunity. So guys, I hope you take some of these foods into consideration. I will have a full list of 37 foods that are going to boost your immunity available at caradefalco.com. It's a free download for you. If you're on my email list, it'll get dropped right into your inbox this week. And I hope you guys take these into consideration as we hopefully get back to normal after everything that's been going on from coronavirus. Guys, for more information, again, head over to caradefalco.com. Enjoy this health coach hack, and I will see you guys next week.